story really comes down to is the fact that Arizona and much of the Southwest in general have a problem, a rapidly expanding population that will need more water, but there is no new water to be found. So for a while, the state has been toying with the idea of augmenting supplies through technologies like desalination, water reclamation, which is water reuse, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. During the previous administration, the Ducey administration, the state legislature passed a bill to create what's called the Water Infrastructure Finance Authority of Arizona, or known as WIFA. And they gave that new agency money and a responsibility to secure new water supplies for the state. But that agency was only just materializing towards the very end of the administration, which already makes things complicated. At the same time as all of this, in walks Israel's IDE Technologies, which is one of the biggest desalination companies in the world. And they claim to have been researching the idea of desalinating water in the city of Puerto Penasco along the Sea of Cortez in the Mexican state of Sonora for about the past 3 years. And what they would do is pipe a lot of that water 200 miles to the Phoenix region. They proposed their plans to the WIFA board, which recently decided to begin engaging in discussions about a possible non-binding term sheet. So no commitment, but some movement forward nonetheless from a public perspective. And keep in mind, there was no formal bidding process here. Whether this $5 billion project is truly feasible from a financial perspective, from an environmental perspective, from a technical and geopolitical perspective, all remains to be seen.